There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Yo, hey, it's your girl. Hey, what's up, divas? What's up, divos? What's up, everybody? It's your favorite girl. Now, look, I already told y'all before that this company is the best of the best of the best of the best. Say less. The best of the best of the best. Say less. When I tell you my first wigs be coming through, they come through. This is just like one of those wigs where you can put her on and go and definitely look really, really cute, okay? My first wigs will definitely have you slayed. And if you ain't never wore a wig before, girl, what are you waiting for? Check out my first wigs because they definitely beginner friendly. Girl, you ain't got to pluck nothing. You ain't got to bleach nothing. You ain't got to cut nothing. All you need to do with this unit is throw her on, go, and style her the way that you like. When I tell y'all I love My First Wigs, I love My First Wigs and their sister company, RPG Show. So if you're ready for one of those good wigs, you know, because I always tell y'all I love a good wig. Like, who really don't love a good wig? Like, you can change it up every day. You could be somebody different. Girl, get you a wig from My First Wigs. Okay. Now, this is one of their pre-everything wigs. Girl, when I say pre-everything, I mean you can put her on and go right out the box. So she does come with a wig cap. You also get a comb, and you also get one of My First Wig's signature wig bags, which is this one right here. Now, believe it or not, this unit is actually 8 inches in length. Popping curls, okay? Curls popping. If you're a girly who loves short wigs, then this one might just be for you. But like I stated, check out their website because they have loads of different units available. So as I said, this is a pre-everything, everything. You know, where you really ain't got to do much, and who don't like to do nothing but not much. So this unit already came pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knot, pre-styled, pre-approved, pre-plucked, and all that good stuff. She does come with combs on each side, so that way you don't have to worry about your wig slipping back. She also has a comb in the nape, a removable adjustable strap, and she has some straps in the nape, and the best of the best of the best, the drawstring. Y'all know the drawstring definitely be stringing, okay? Now, I love a good wig, girl. I love a good wig. Who don't love a good wig? If you don't love a good wig, then you're not in the right place, because My First Wigs don't have no bad wigs, okay? Now this one right here, like I said, is popping curls, curls popping. And I want to see how she looks in that wet hairstyle look. You know what I'm saying? Make it look wet and stay wet. There are definitely things that you would need to do. So let's just jump into this, and I'm going to show you how to give it that wet hairstyle look. Now these curls are definitely succulent and pretty, and I'm loving this. I love a good curly wig. So let's just get into this. We're gonna slay all day like it's our B-day with My First Wig. All right, y'all, so I decided to do this part of the video over only because I just really wasn't feeling the aesthetic of the outfit, the shirt that I wore, and also y'all know how I be talking about my head is long, because it is, okay? It definitely is, but I don't need y'all telling me that because it is, okay? And for me, certain hairstyles just don't mesh well with my long head or the way I styled them. So I do like this unit a lot, but I just felt like the aesthetic of the shirt was definitely not giving. You know how you have to have a certain type of outfit for a certain type of hairstyle? Or is it just me that be planning stuff like that? After watching the video and looking at the photos mainly, I was just like, girl, no, your head is definitely elongated, okay? You have like this long head, girl. You got to change it up. You got to put on a shirt that covers your shoulders because your head is long. Sometimes you got to take away from the long head. I don't care what nobody says. Sometimes you got to take away from the long head. So here I am back to do this re-over. Still going to give it that wet look, but I'm also going to fluff it up prior to show you guys what I like and how I would like to style it, and then I'm going to show you the wet look. So let's just get into this part 2 of the video.
That's my cue.
You and me is like perfection. I've been loving our progression, but I gotta make a confession, no. Lately I've been having questions, oh. See, I've been missing your affection, and this kinda reminds me of the last one. Maybe it's time I learn my lesson, no. Maybe step back from my protection, no. Tell me, am I still your baby? Or just holding on to memories and the way you used to make me crazy, oh. Did I do something wrong? Are we still going strong? Or or you're stringing me along, then that's my cue. If I have to ask, then I probably already got my answer. But before I commit relationship suicide, tell me a little, reading in between the lines a little. Tell me if we lost the vibe a little. Uh-oh, let's go. Boy, that's my cue. We left it up in the air. I need you to make it clear for me. I need you to keep it real with me.
Y'all, do y'all see the succulent curls? These succulent curls are just from me wetting it the other day in the products that I use to keep the curls in it. When I tell you the curls stayed in, it will definitely look like a wet look as long as you don't disturb it and bother it. The only thing that I did after I took the wig off is put it in the net and in its original bag. But the curls on this unit is extra succulent. And for me personally, because my head is longer, I do prefer a more fuller style. That's for me. I just feel like a fuller style on my long head will definitely take away from the longevity of my head. Certain styles I just really don't look great in, and I just really felt like the aesthetic of the shirt and the wet hairstyle, the way I had it styled, was just not for me. Now, maybe that was me just like overreacting, but sometimes you just gotta switch it up a little bit. So I definitely wanted to show you guys what it looks like when it's dried. They're giving you 13 by 6 inches, so you definitely can part it wherever you like. I'm definitely gonna re-wet it because I wanna feel that different look, but I wanted to show you ladies what it looked like. Let me show you how it looks while it's wet wearing this shirt instead.
For me, I need you to keep it real with me. I'm on your mind. I'm ready to pull up on you and show you I want you. Boy, you just do it for me. Even the homie said you suited for me, but now the energy got hazy, Tell me, am I still your baby? Or just holding on to memories? And the way you used to make me crazy. I can't seem to shake it. I need you here with me naked. Oh, but boy, don't have me waiting. God, that's my cue. If I have to ask, then I probably already got my answer. But before I commit relationship suicide, tell me a little, reading in between the lines a little. Tell me if we lost the vibe a little. Uh-oh, let's go. Boy, that's my cue. Tell me I'm the one, I'm the only one. Something's gotta budge like the time you want. Tell me
All right, y'all, so this is what it looks like when it's wet. I did say you do not need to mess with the curls. Once you have wetted using your favorite products, I would highly suggest do not go finger combing it, fluffing it out, because then it will not keep that wet look. But as long as you use like certain products like I did, but the main key is to not mess with it, leave it alone and let it dry as is, and it will stay looking like it's a wet look. Okay, so yeah, I feel a lot better wearing this shirt. You know, it's just the aesthetic of the clothing. Certain styles just don't go with certain hairstyles, and that's fine. You know what I'm saying? At least I feel like I know I have a long head, baby. Okay. So you guys, leave your comments down below. I love y'all, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Let me know which hairstyle was your favorite. Make sure you check out MyFirstWig because they have so many different units available. I love them. They are an amazing site. Best of the best of the best. Like I always say, best of the best of the best. Who don't love best of the best of the best? I hope you ladies enjoyed this video. Also, make sure that you rate, comment, and if you haven't subscribed already, then I don't know why you're waiting. This is the time to subscribe. I love you all, and you definitely want to see my face again. I am your favorite diva. We already know this, okay? I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one.